Using a massage gun, also known as a percussion massager or a percussion therapy device, can be an effective way to relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, and reduce muscle soreness. Here's a general guide on how to use a massage gun effectively. Select the appropriate attachment. Most massage guns come with multiple attachment heads designed for different purposes, such as targeting specific muscle groups or providing varying levels of intensity. Choose the attachment that best suits your needs and the area you want to target. Apply gentle pressure. Place the massage gun against the desired muscle group with a slight amount of pressure. You don't need to press too hard. Let the percussion action of the device do the work. Move the massage gun slowly. Start moving the massage gun slowly over the muscle in a smooth, controlled manner. Allow the percussion action to penetrate deep into the muscle tissue. You can move the massage gun in circular motions, up and down, or side to side, depending on the muscle group you're targeting. Focus on trigger points and knots. If you encounter areas of tightness or knots in the muscle, spend extra time focusing on these areas. Apply slightly more pressure and work the massage gun around the trigger point to help release tension. Avoid bony areas and sensitive areas. Do not use the massage gun directly on bones, joints, or areas with injuries. Also, avoid using it on sensitive areas or areas with bruises or open wounds. Adjust speed and intensity. Most massage guns come with adjustable speed settings. Start with a lower speed and gradually increase it as needed. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust the intensity accordingly. Use it for the recommended duration. Limit each session with the massage gun to the recommended duration, typically around 15-20 minutes per muscle group. Overusing the device can cause muscle fatigue or discomfort. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before and after using the massage gun to help flush out toxins released from the muscles during the massage. Benefits of using a massage gun include muscle recovery. Percussion therapy can help improve blood flow to the muscles, which aids in faster muscle recovery after workouts or physical activities. Pain relief. Massage guns can help alleviate muscle soreness, stiffness, and pain by reducing muscle tension and promoting relaxation. Improved range of motion. Regular use of a massage gun can help increase flexibility and improve joint mobility by breaking up adhesions and scar tissue in the muscles. Stress relief. The relaxing effect of percussion therapy can also help reduce stress and promote overall well-being. However, it's essential to use a massage gun properly and not overdo it, as excessive use or applying too much pressure can potentially cause bruising or muscle damage. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before using a massage gun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel and recommend it to your friends. Stay informed.